Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to block phone calls on iPhone. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up phone app, and then if we would like to block phone calls from a particular users or a particular contact, we need to find that contact list. You can do so in that way simply by going through the list of your contacts, or you can search for them using search. After that, open up the contact and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find block this color option. If you tap on it, it will ask you, are you sure you would like to block this contact? Once it is blocked, you will not receive phone calls, message or FaceTime from people on the block list. To block a contact, tap on block contact. However, let's say you would like to block all the calls and messages from the unknown sellers. You can easily do so from the settings. So just open up settings, then scroll down and tap add phone. After that, right here you can easily find silence unknown sellers. If we get indeed, we will be able to silence all the users that are not on your contacts block book. All you have to do is just turn this option on, and from now on say callers from unknown number will be silent, sent to voicemail and displayed on their recent list. However, incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts. So this is the way how you can block phone calls on iPhone. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.